In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your PayPal money off hold in just 5 minutes. If you've ever sold something and found that your funds are unexpectedly on hold, you're not alone. It can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're counting on that money. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, head over to PayPal and click on the Login button. Once you're there, enter your email address and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your email and password to ensure they are correct. Once you're logged in, let's delve into figuring out why your money is on hold in the first place. It's crucial to understand the reasoning behind this so you can address the issue effectively. There are several common reasons why PayPal might place a hold on your money. Maybe you haven't sold anything in a while and your account lacks recent activity. Alternatively, customers might have reported issues or requested refunds on transactions. Sudden changes or unusual patterns in your selling activities can also trigger a hold, as can selling higher-risk items. Even receiving payment for goods and services instead of friends and family could be a factor. With these possibilities in mind, go to your Recent Activity or Activity tab within your PayPal account. This is where you can identify the exact transaction that has funds on hold. Once found, simply click on the Get Your Money button or the corresponding link associated with the transaction. Now, you'll want to choose the appropriate option to update the order status, especially if your sale involves a service or an intangible product. Provide all necessary details about the transaction. This ensures PayPal has the most accurate information, which can facilitate quicker release of your funds. Don't forget to click Submit once you've filled out everything. This step is crucial in confirming and finalizing your updates. Alternatively, for physical goods, adding tracking information can be very helpful. Ship using an approved carrier and input the tracking number on PayPal. You can even print shipping labels directly through PayPal, which automatically updates this information, creating a seamless experience. By following these steps, you can often resolve hold issues efficiently. Remember, patience and accuracy are your best tools here. If any issues persist, consider contacting PayPal support for further assistance. I hope this guide has been helpful and that your funds are released soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides.